Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your travel needs, 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description you'll find my website and my email information. Vacation shouldn't be work. Let us do all the work for you, and we'll act as your concierge. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases we're able to find you pricing and promotions that you're not going to find online or dealing direct with the vendor. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it tells YouTube to please share my YouTube channel to other people who are looking for vacation content. We post a new video every 2 weeks. And I'm known as your travel guy, if you know me or dealt with me in the past, which I'd like to be your travel agent for all your future vacations. Today I'm going to be showing you Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas ocean facing balcony, cabin number 11218. Please take a look, please enjoy, and if you're looking for any type of vacation, just give me a call and I'd love to help you. Alright, take care now. Thank you. (11218) balcony. Let's take a look and see what we see. Oh, we have some stuff. Got some gifts. A little bit of a couch. What do we have here? Nice stuff. Not bad. Wow, killer view. That's awesome. Nice balcony. Let's go in, see what we see. Light, I don't see any USB. No USB here. Refrigerator. Hair dryer. Nice drawer space. Got a chair. What we got here? Nice cabinet area. Another one down here. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Nice little accessory device. Goodies. A closet. Nice closet, safe. Looks like there's a shelf in there too. On the other side. Yeah, right there's a little shelf. The usual stuff. It's good that there's a mirror here. And there's your controls. Bathroom door. Oh, it's different. Bathroom is different. Yeah, nice, different. Doesn't look like a lot of counter space. And the shower is the usual shower. Got a little spot over there to put your foot, just in case you needed to do some stuff with your legs. Yeah, very nice, very nice.